I don't think you need to be doing 10 to 15 different things for your marketing. I'm not a big believer in having a bunch of different things that you're doing. I just don't think you need it. If you've got a really highly converting website, you've got really good SEO, at some point when the business allows for it and there's the money in the business, toying with some Google ads. And those things alone, driving traffic to the website, as long as it's converting well, that's going to be really important. But you also need some form of outreach. Historically, cold outreach has been cold calling, cold emails, even dropping in face to face. In some respects, those three things can still work. But the reality is, with cold calls, you get stuck speaking to a gatekeeper. Cold email marketing, people are super busy. It drops into their inbox and they probably don't read it. I imagine many of you get some cold emails that you probably just go, okay, shit, whatever, I'm just going to delete it because I know I do. And then in terms of dropping in face to face, one that got a bit weird when COVID happened. People don't really like that so much anymore. And it depends on the premises. If it's it's hospitality or something, sure, you can drop in face to face. But if you're trying to get into an office or a building site, even maybe not. Maybe that's not always going to be an option. So you need a way of being able to reach out to people, but not people that are, receptionists, PAs. They're going to be gatekeepers, but people that you can reach out to, the decision makers, people that can, or, even if it's a larger company and there are multiple decision makers, just getting somebody's attention that can say, I've seen this guy, I've seen this woman on LinkedIn, looks really good. We should get in contact with them, and they might pass it along to a colleague. But it's all about being visible. And if we're not posting content on LinkedIn, or if it's content that honestly is just kind of boring, or it's samey and it doesn't really capture people's attention, it's not going to serve much of a purpose.